or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Angel and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we are going to be doing a get ready with me. So we're going to be doing hair and makeup, getting glam together. But as you guys can see, looking at this makeup look, not so glam. We're keeping it very simple. I'd like to thank WorldNewHair for sending me over this gorgeous unit. Let's go ahead and jump into me installing this unit. Girl, I don't know what it is, but I was kind of struggling with this hair, okay? I'm ready for makeup because this hair just stressed me all the way out. So y'all, I'm skipping primer. I'm moving right into the face. This look is going to be super simple, you guys, and nothing too crazy at all. So for my foundation today, I'm using my L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation, and I'm in the shade 515. What it's looking like for y'all, but I'm giving real oompa loompa. So for my concealer, I'm using this NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. So this makeup look, you guys, is going to be very simple, very minimalistic. I always get a lot of questions, you guys. Like my aunt, she always asks me like, why do you do so many steps when it comes to your makeup? So if you don't want to do like a lot of steps like that I do, I really don't think I'll be doing that much, but what y'all think? Comment down below, let me know if I be doing too much. But I'm just gonna do a very simple makeup look. It's kind of similar to what I had the other day on my Instagram story. If you're not following me on Instagram, what you doing? But it's kind of similar to that. I basically had a red lip and everything else, a bold lash, and everything else was pretty much very simple. Oh, you guys, it is during the school night, and if you watch my last vlog, my latest vlog rather, then you already know how I feel about filming during the week. I've got to do better, but I'm like literally all off of my schedule, girl. Like I'm all messed up. This concealer is so nice. I love how matte it is. Very pretty concealer. And the color, I love the undertone. It's like that yellow undertone that I love. This look is already looking very natural. So just to set where I highlighted, I'm just taking this Sacha Buttercup powder and I'm gonna set can y'all see that? I'm making a big mess. I'm gonna set everywhere that I highlighted. And this is just like a all-purpose makeup look. Like this is a powder that you do not have to worry about that's gonna leave flashback or pretty much any of that. Girl, I need lotion, nothing new. And I'm just gonna go ahead and set everything with this right here. You already know my Black Radiance Soft Focus powder, and like I said, we're using as little and minimum product as possible. And then I'm gonna bronze because lately I have been loving this Juvia's Place bronzer. This is the just duo bronzer that they have, and I'm gonna go in with a little bit of both of these shades. We're gonna start with the lighter one, and then I'm gonna work my way up. And I'm totally skipping out on blush, so yeah. But I'm not skipping out on my nose contour, honey, because y'all know you gotta be snatched. I love a good bronze look, but I am definitely a blush girl. I just feel like when I choose not to use blush, which is not often at all, okay? When I choose not to use it, it's just like fewer steps. So if you're a blush kind of girl, you can just opt in for blush, opt out for the bronzer. And if you are a bronzer kind of girl, opt out for the blush, opt in for the bronzer. And I do like to take my nose contour and make sure it is like literally blended out. And I'm not doing any eyeshadow, so I am just gonna take that bronzer in my crease as well, just to make sure everything is nice and blend it. I gotta stop doing it. Oh my gosh, I have to be stopped. We love a good snatch nose over here. Okay, so for my bronzer, I'm just using this. Oh, I was about to blind y'all. Laura Geller highlighter, and I'm gonna use Molten Copper. It's more of a golden kind of undertone. I love it, like especially for my skin tone, my brown girls, my melanin girls. I love to see it. Girl, this baby hair over here is just doing its own thing. And I am gonna fill in my mole. So the lashes I'm gonna pop on are actually from Amazon. I will try to link them down below. I'm trying to debate on if I want to do a wing liner or if I just want to keep it, you know, just keep it simple. I don't know. Let's just do a lash. Let's just do a nice bold lash and call it a day. Sis, you cannot tell me these lashes are not fire. Stop playing with me. So moving on, I'm just gonna pop some mascara on my bottom lashes. And girl, this is it. Literally, this is it. I'm moving on to my lips, and I'm just using this brown lip liner. You guys know I love this lip liner. I'm gonna take some time on the lips though, because I want the lips to be popping. Okay. Oh, the way I line my lips, honey, you see it. You can already tell this lip is about to be fire. So this is ColourPop's liquid lipstick, or is this a, yeah, it's an ultra matte liquid lipstick in the shade Semi. It's probably old as hell, but that's what, we ain't talking about that. We're not even talking about it. Oh, it's kind of pink though. I wanted more of a nude lipstick. Liquid lipsticks work better than lipsticks like when you're using a lip liner. That blend you get, it just hit a little different. It just hit a little different. You see what I'm saying? It just hit a little different. I'm just gonna take my concealer because I don't feel like getting up and being lazy, and I'm just gonna put that right on top of that pink because I didn't want that pink to be so pink. I was going for more of a nude. And then clear gloss, you cannot go wrong. This one is just from Essie. Everything that I'm using in this video is affordable too. You see them. You see the lips. Stop playing. Stop playing. I told y'all this is going to be a nice and simple look. I told y'all. And I delivered. Okay? I delivered. Nothing new. Oh, and I do want to add a little something to my part. So I'm just using the same concealer that I use for my brows and my lips. And we're just going to put this right in the part. So now that my hair and makeup is done, honey, let's go ahead and jump into the details about this unit. So this is a 99J burgundy color unit. It is a straight texture, 180% density, and it is 18 inches. So first off, I have to thank WorldNewHair for allowing me to actually pick out my own unit. I really do appreciate them trusting in me and picking something dope out on their website. You guys, this wig is super gorgeous. Like, I'm loving it. I love a good burgundy color, you guys. I don't wear it often, but I do love a good burgundy color. The lace on this wig was absolutely beautiful. I love that this did come with baby hairs already pretty much cut out in the front. So I did like that. I feel like this is a great wig for my girls that have like a widow's peak, and me personally, I have a widow's peak, and I feel like with this unit it definitely covered that. Even though I kind of like cut mine off and shave it off or whatever, but I feel like this is a good unit for my girls with the widow peaks. Okay, where y'all at? And real quick, I do want to clarify that this unit did come this color, so I did not have to bleach this color, dye it, watercolor, any of that. So and I'm not really good at colors anyway, so I really do appreciate when companies do offer pre-colored units. So no issues, like I was saying with the lace, you guys. I did not bleach the knots or anything like that. Normally with color hair, I never really bleach the knots because the hair has already been pre-colored and processed already, so I don't feel the need to really do that again. However, of course, I do go in with my lace tint, which I love, and I always tint the lace because it matches my skin tone, and it just makes the melt, and it just makes everything look a lot better just in general, girl. So I will say I do wish the unit was a lot thicker. I wish I would have chose a 200% density unit. This unit has not been washed. I literally took this unit straight out the pack. I customized it off camera, came on camera, installed it, and pretty much did whatever you guys saw at the beginning of this video. And as far as the length, I did go ahead and cut a few inches off of this unit. I really don't think this unit was 18 inches. It gave me more of a 16-inch kind of vibe, because y'all know, like, I know 18 inches, honey, because I love a good 18-inch. But this gave me a little bit shorter, or maybe it was, maybe just because of the thickness of it, it didn't seem like it was 18 inches. That's neither here nor there. I did go ahead and cut a few inches, like I said, off the unit. So it probably is about a good 16-inch now. I did bump the ends. I do feel like that gives it a more fuller look, being that this is not a super like high density unit. It does still make it not look super thin. I will say that I did experience a little bit of shedding while installing this unit. I'm not really sure if that came from the plucking or just because this hair has been pre-colored and it has been processed. And you guys know with color hair, even with your natural hair, if you don't take care of it, honey, it's going to shed and it's going to fall out, okay? But other than that, I have nothing else bad to say about this unit, you guys. The hair is super soft. It's super silky. They did a really good job on the color, a really good job on the lace. It made it super easy for me to install. This unit is perfect for beginners. I love the fit of this unit, you guys. It was a really nice snug fit. No bumps and no lumps. This unit fits so good, you guys. Honestly, like, once I cut the lace off, it could have been a glueless unit. I did not really need any spray, any glue. Honestly, I could have just rocked it as is. So yeah, you guys, that is pretty much it. That is all that I have to say about this unit. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you check out the description bar below, you guys, for coupon codes and a direct link to this unit. I love you all so much, and until next time, bye. Mwah.